Hi Elsa and Thelma, it's Patty and I am doing a quick walkthrough of how to do a Screencast-O-Matic video. So here is the home page. I don't know if you can see this box, but anything within the box will show up. So I'm going to go here to a course and notice that everything shows up. When I'm pointing something out, I can do this. I can click and open. So you can just walk somebody right through it. I've done a PowerPoint to explain this. So and I go here and there we go. Slideshow from beginning. Here we go. Now, again, we're back to the home page. Create an account and sign in. Next you do is start recorder. Sometimes you have to go through a little bit to load it onto the computer. Other times you don't. I don't understand why. Probably because it's free. Again, here we go. Record. You have a choice here. You can do the screen, a webcam totally, or both, which would give you that nice little thumbnail up in the corner. And here we are in the course, talking about what it is that you want to talk about. Blah, de da, de da. Keep talking. And we're done. When you're finished, just click on the pause, which is not showing up, and then click done. It's at the bottom. The next thing, it's going to ask you what you want to do with it. I like to upload it to YouTube because it makes that nice little thumbnail thing, and it is very, very simple for students to access, and YouTube is very reliable. So that's what I do. Upload to YouTube, and then we want to publish it. Here we are. Here's my channel. You can see I'm very popular with all 4 of my subscribers. Click there. It's published. So you're done. Now, to get it into your course, it is a piece of cake. Go back. Click on Build Content. You want Mashup YouTube video. Go back. Find what you want. I didn't use this. I used another one because this was just practice, that for Elsa. So you find it, you open it, copy the URL, paste the URL, and click go. This will show up. Click select. And there it is, loaded into your class site. Easy peasy. So thank you for listening.